If your garden is overflowing and you're on the hunt for ideas to use all of those cucumbers, you've come to the right place. Suzy Robertson is here sharing 3 snack solutions that all call for these favorite garden veggies. How's your garden doing right now?
It's overflowing.
It's flourishing.
Yes,
yeah.
It is. Okay, but my favorite new thing is the Armenian cucumber. They're starting to become popular, so more people are planting them.
Okay.
But these cucumbers, they're a little more dry, a little more firm, not as many seeds, and they don't go slimy. You know when you pre-slice cucumbers in a day or two, they're already slimy in your veggie tray? These are the things
the
to
Armenian
do.
cucumber.
Yes, and they're crispy and crunchy and delicious.
Okay.
So we're gonna throw these in a salad. This is my famous tomato cucumber avocado salad.
Famous.
3 ingredients, right?
Okay.
Tomatoes, cucumbers, avocados, maybe a couple other things. Like red onion, right?
Okay.
We'll throw in some red onion. Gotta have a little bit of onion
It's
there.
a 3-ingredient salad that has 5 ingredients.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I'm just kidding. 3 main ingredients.
So, so with cucumbers, you know, seeds are the thing that actually make us gassy, so it's kind of nice that these cucumbers don't.
Well, thank you.
But I like to cut them in half and then cut them in thirds again because they're like little bite-sized pieces. In this salad, you kind of want to have a little bit of everything in it.
Okay.
So we just make nice little bite-sized pieces like that. And then we put those in there and add a little avocado. I've already scored the avocado. They come out in perfect little chunks if you just pre-score those. It's really simple. And then I've already cut up some tomatoes in there, so there's our ingredients. And then it's super easy to season. So you can use this pre-made Brianna's vinaigrette. It's just a red wine vinaigrette, or you can just use red wine vinegar and olive oil. So either way, you're just getting in a little vinaigrette on there.
But this has the olive oil ready to go.
Yep,
Yeah.
this has the olive oil and the vinegar. So if you're like a one-stop, I don't want to make my own, do that. If you want to make your own, go ahead and do that. And then this is the secret sauce.
What?
This Spike Veggies seasoning is really, really delicious. It is strong, so you have to be careful, and it kind of comes out fast.
You've been warned.
So it's like you're salty. Yeah, you've been warned. Don't dump fast. But you just toss it with that, and it's good to go.
What is it? Salt?
If you don't have this, you can do salt and pepper. But it's a bunch of dried veggies in there. But it does have the salt in there too. So
where do I get this?
It's kind of a seasonal. A lot of stores have it now, but at a health food store they have them.
All right.
Yeah.
Yum.
Super easy.
There we go.
Ready to
Salad
go.
1.
Perfect side dish. Perfect even lunch.
All right. You got a snack next.
Okay. So you know all these snacking cucumbers. I love these. So super simple. Cut them in half. Laughing cow cheese is so fun. Easy snack.
I go through spurts with laughing cow cheese.
Do
When
ya?
I love it, I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and they have so many fun flavors now. So you can go with lots of different flavors. But I just use about a half of a triangle per each half of these little cucumbers. But they're not the easiest to spread cheese
That
on
moisture
cucumber.
makes it kind of tricky, huh?
But with the Armenians, it wouldn't be as hard.
Well,
But
that's our new friend.
okay, but this is the fun part, is you can add seasoning. So Trader Joe's, thank you Trader Joe's, has so many fun seasonings. So this is a ranch blend, which is great. There's no MSG. You can make your own ranch. Super simple with that.
Oh, awesome.
But everything but the bagel's been around forever, but this Green Goddess one is so fun too. And they just have all the seasonings in there, so you just sprinkle it with a little seasoning.
This is the second or third time a girlfriend's told me about the Green Goddess.
Oh, so good. So you can make your own dressing.
Yes.
You want to try a bite? Do you like cucumbers?
I mean, okay. I didn't want to answer with a cucumber staring at me.
And you're so, but crunchy, that's going to give that extra pop. This is just
good.
that's just the plain laughing cow cheese. So it doesn't have a lot of flavor by itself, but adding a little bit of seasoning on top.
Great snack.
Yeah,
Good
crunchy,
snack.
Yeah.
All right, what's next?
Okay, so last one is just doing the good old pickled cucumbers. So once again, I'm going to use an Armenian. You can slice this up, right? Take a ball jar.
It's a big girl.
Yes. So we've got 3/4 cup of water. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. You can do any vinegar. You can do white vinegar, apple cider. You know, it just depends on what you like. And then it helps to add a tiny bit of sugar, but I'm going to add coconut sugar. You know me, I'm going to add a little bit of healthier sugar.
Did you see me go a little gasp in my heart? Suzy is adding sugar to a recipe? Stop the presses.
Okay. Of coconut sugar. No, but you know me, I add a little sugar here and there.
Okay.
I don't mind sugar. So like a teaspoon of sugar and about a teaspoon of salt.
What does that do?
The salt obviously amplifies the flavor, right? We're kind of giving that pickle, but the sugar offsets all the acid from the vinegars because sometimes they can be too harsh. Also adding the water offsets that too. Okay. So you just stir that up, throw it in a ball jar. Okay, well, we didn't stir, so it's in the bottom, but, you know, stir it, and then throw it in the ball jar.
We're allowed certain liberties on TV.
That's right.
You don't have to stir.
We gotta hurry.
We gotta move.
Okay, and then a sweet onion. I love Vidalia sweet onions in the summer, especially with cucumbers. And this salad, you can make ahead of time. If you can make it at least an hour ahead of time so they can kind of marinate a little bit, you can throw it in for your party. But they stay good for several days. So you just throw those in your jar and with your pickles, you know, cut them all up, and they can just sit in your jar, even for up to a week, but they start to get really strong if you leave them too long.
Okay,
but,
and then just spread it out.
And then you can pull those out and throw more in there. Throw more cucumbers in when you run out. So
3 snacky salad ideas to use those garden cucumbers, and now everyone's going to be scrambling to plant the Armenian cucumber.
Oh,
thanks for the introduction.
amazing.
Where can we get more
welcome.
recipe ideas from you, Suzy?
So you can follow me on Instagram at Suzy's Natural Health Movement, or I am so excited we're offering a free virtual cooking class. You know I do my cooking coaching program.
Yeah.
But I'm going to offer a free one for people to try it out, see what it's like, virtual, my kitchen to yours. So you can go to learntocookhhealthy.com/free class.
Okay.
And you'll just sign up for the class. It'll send you the recipe. And if you can't attend live, then I can send the recording, but it's really fun. We cook, they cook at the same time. One of my most famous recipes, my famous chicken tacos.
Yes.
Grilled tortillas, we dip them in the marinade. It's a really unique, fun recipe.
So recipe comes to my inbox and I cook with you live.
Yes,
That's so
next
fun.
Saturday evening.
So fun. Details on your website.
Yes.
Give it to us again.
Yeah, learntocookhhealthy.com/free class.
All right, thanks, Suzy.
You're
We'll link you from our
welcome.
website
You're
too.
welcome.